Hello everyone, this is an updated video on how to do air fryer chicken wings. The first video was just to see if it would work, and it worked well. So here's a video showing you all of the steps and all the ingredients that you'll need. It's a super easy recipe. Here's all the ingredients, and make sure you can melt the butter, and you can use the full wing or just the smaller part. I used the full wing for this video. The previous one had just the the boneless part. Using the bigger wings was a little bit more cumbersome and not as many fit, but some of my guests preferred that, so I thought I would try both ways. Put the wings in, space them out so the air can circulate, and then I just added salt and pepper to taste. When it's about halfway through, I flip them and then salt and pepper the other side, but you can salt and pepper before both sides, really your preference. And yes, I am doing this outside on a camping table, so as long as you have power and an air fryer, you are good to go. Carefully put the lid on, make sure it's secure. Now I go in, I hit air fry, and I'm doing a custom temperature and timer. So on the Emerald, I scroll all the way down to custom, hit the knob, then I hit temperature, I changed it to 400, hit the knob, go to timer, set it to about 22 minutes, hit the button, and we're going. Okay, so it's about halfway through, so I just opened it up. I'm turning them over just to make sure all the air circulates, everything gets cooked well, nothing gets burnt. Make sure you space them out again. A little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper. Again, you can do this beforehand. Okay, I've melted the butter, and I put about a cup of the buffalo sauce into the melted butter, and you stir until it's all mixed. You don't want to see any of the yellow butter around the edges. Make sure it's really mixed well. You can also pair this recipe with a blue cheese or ranch dressing, especially if you make it really spicy. So they're done. I checked the temperature. They came out to 165 degrees, which is the safe zone. And you can either pour the sauce into the Instapot, the air fryer, and mix it all around, or you can do what I'm doing and just coat each one and then set it on a plate and wait for it to dry and cool down a little bit, and then serve it to your guest. There you go. Also, if you want to add some spice, when I'm growing jalapenos in the backyard, I just take one off, chop it up,